At dawn, a ship gave its final groan and slipped beneath the waves. The ocean closed its mouth as if nothing had ever been there. Only a baby survived, cradled by chance on a splintered plank, wrapped in silence and salt. The gentle currents carried him away. Days passed. The sun rose and fell. The plank drifted until the waves softened, and the horizon broke into green. The wood kissed sand, and the baby's cry lifted into the humid air of an island untouched by maps. He was found by a gigantic gorilla, whose shadow fell like a mountain. The creature studied the small, fragile thing. Instead of turning away, the gorilla gathered the child with careful strength and carried him inland. He grew beneath towering canopies, learning balance from vines and patience from stones. The gorilla taught him wordless lessons, how to listen to the forest, and how strength could be quiet. Animals became his neighbors and his trials. He faced serpents and storms, and climbed cliffs. Once, when fire threatened, he led the animals toward the river, choosing courage over panic. Another time, he rescued a young ape caught in a hunter's snare, learning that mercy requires pain before relief. As years unfolded, the boy, now a young man, stood between worlds, the sea he could not recall, and the forest that raised him. He learned that belonging is not given by birth, but by care freely chosen. When he climbed the highest ridge and looked at the endless water, he felt only gratitude. And so his story became part of the island, a reminder that survival can turn into kinship, and the wild can raise a child into something strong and gentle.